day I'm popping off at niggas like it's all good. Like, where the fuck the life sentence is at? I'm a motherfucking genius in the streets, know that. And if you niggas wanna blast cack, I show you what's up. I bust niggas in the motherfucking big body truck, roll on up, and niggas get they ass down, niggas get they ass clown over here right now. And if these niggas start coming off, these niggas start running off at the mouth, I have to put them down like a boss. And if these niggas try to come play me like Rick Rock, I'm the motherfucking nigga on his fucking block and putting them down and showing them niggas how I'm a clown and showing them niggas no smiles is frowns on niggas, and niggas start getting real scary. Watch out, nigga, you can call me Brendan Berry if you want to, but watch my damn name in these streets. First and last gov, give you a whole month some weak shit, but I ain't even trying to do that. Some years at it on, I ain't trying to do that. Fuck that, nigga, I'ma stand right here and still blast back. Piss testing my motherfucking P.O.'s mouth. How she like that shit? Tell that bitch I don't give a fuck, I'm hood trick.
A hood trick, a motherfucking bitch. I'm about to dip, yeah, and I'm about to eat some clicks. I'm about to do it, I'm about to do it like that. With my hands in the hood, and I'm doing it like that. Where they at? Where the hoes wanna fucking go? I like the way that bitch shake that ass on the floor. She bring it up, and then she drop it on the floor. And then the nigga about to walk out on the
talent, I spread it on YouTube. What these niggas tripping on, what you gon' do? If a nigga run up, if a nigga ain't playing games, run up like, nigga, give me your chain and give me the blame. If I'm up on the throne, it's gone. Hell yeah, I'm on top, nigga, so don't play me, then it's on. If you niggas wanna get it on, then get it on quick. I'm the top nigga, I told you, I'm Tiny Crip, and I leave you on your block, dead on your shit. And I know you don't want that, you fucking little stupid trick. I bust your ass up something real quick, business nigga, so watch out, nigga, I'm real quick.
Alright, Tiny C is his fucking name. A nigga like him, he don't play no fucking games. If you fuck with him, it gonna be on. A nigga beat your ass and leave your ass dead in your home. A nigga coming through, you won't wanna see your ass. I like the way you do it, yeah, nigga, don't smoke that crack. A nigga come, a nigga, yeah, I'm a pimp. I don't never catch a nigga, never slipping, I'm a pimp.
Nigga never slipping, but always tripping. Niggas fuck with me, they ass come amiss, and what's the dishes? I done cleaned your ass up. Dishwasher, dish detergent, light your ass up. What the fuck you want? Leave you off for what's up? Nigga, you don't want that from my bodies. Niggas that come with shotties, niggas that do you off something real proper like, nigga.